Hello, everybody. Suman Pachugula here, and today we have Manohar, and he is a recruiter. And you can call him a senior recruiter, but he calls him a no, sir. I'm a junior recruiter, and I have only 5 months experience. I'm still learning. But why he is here in the Hall of Fame for the highly paid recruiter? Because he is done something amazing, and he is currently getting something amazing. Let's hear out from him that what he wants to share and how what his success tips. All right, so Manohar, now let's introduce yourself and let us know what is that you are, where you are from, and how did you end up in recruiting industry.
Hi, sir. My name is Manohar. I completed my graduation in 2019, specialization in electric and electronic department with overall aggregate of 16% in JNH College of Engineering. Along with my degree, I learned some technical skills. I brought up in Hyderabad only. My father is a cab driver. My mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
What is your aspirations and goals, Manohar? Looks like you just come out of your college and now you're working as a recruiter and you are making handsome money than anybody ever think. And yes, so what are your aspirations? What are your goals?
My aspiration is to become a from hiring manager to become hiring manager in an organization to help the people, to help the IT organization people also to for job seekers. I'm getting a handsome salary compared to the 2 to 3 years experience people. I'm happy about that to share with
Very,
you.
very nice. And we definitely want to hear that secret as well. Okay, how Manohar did that magic and those stuff as well, Manohar. So before we go in deep, so how did you get into recruiting industry? What you are thinking in the before you joining, and what are the struggles you faced after joining this industry?
So before I joined in July 19th. Sir. That time I struggled lots. I don't know the about thing because uh, training also given for my organization, but little bit I have nervous to start with the work. How to talk with the candidates, how to connect with them, how to do the emailing, how to follow up the candidates. Everything I was struggling. My seniors also helped me, but that problem didn't solve for me. One day during maybe on YouTube, I saw your session, sir. How to your motivation status, how you work, how you. I still remember one word, sir. You walk from Patna to Secunderabad, sir, to save money. I still remember that word, sir. That motivated me to take the course of highly paid recruiter. In August first week, I joined the webinar. That time I didn't have money. After that, second week of maybe August 15th, I
Mhm.
taken the course, sir. After that, miracle happened, sir. Everything went on like a flying bird, sir. So I done 5 closures in last 2 months.
Wow. Hmm.
Also, I got lot of candidates are waiting for me, in the pipeline to clear for the second round. Also, I think I will see
Hmm.
that also.
Awesome. So, what are the things that you found new in the highly paid recruiting course or after I mean, connecting with the community, Manohar? Would you like to share with us?
Definitely, I will share. The community people help me lots of everything. Whatever the question, especially Raj sir person helped me a lot to do the Boolean search. In the course, I learned everything from scratch, sir. How to connect with the candidates, how to talk with the candidates, how to do the email, how to follow up the candidates, how to connect them emotionally. First of all, because many of the recruiters will call, we have a job opening position. I'm sending it to the client. They will say, not we don't want to talk like that, sir. We have to talk with them why they are lagging in the job, what the skills they are missing. We have to remember them, sir. Which skills are lagging for them, how to overcome them. The skills are learned in the course, and also learn some skills like what is Java full stack, what are the front end, back end, and what are the developer will do, what the DevOps engineer will do. These skills help me to work on my problems at when I first starting.
Very good. So, what was your management happy to see your productivity? That did they ask you how you're able to do this? Did your colleagues ask you? Just wanted to understand
Yes,
how it was.
definitely. One thing happened, sir. in September, I think so. Every month we had town hall meeting. In the town hall meeting, I was the last performer in September. In September, by the end of the September, I completed all the highly paid recruiting course and studied the Nail the Deal book also. In October, I was the best performer of the month. I got $100, I think so, prize money in October
Wow,
for the best employee.
congratulations, man. Congratulations.
My
Very good. Hmm.
In November also my salary has increased to more than 100%. That is equal to the 2 to 3 years
Wow.
experience recruiters.
Hmm. That tells your performance. Very good. So, would you like to share the how you are planning? I mean, absolutely, I understand that someone has to be a good human being before they could be a good performer, right? So, did you change anything on your side, on your timetables, on your planning, or on your mindset? Was that changed your way of working? So, I would like to understand. Please share that with our viewers.
Definitely, definitely. Before that, I used to work like a normal recruiter, but after completing the course and everything, I learned you should be self-respect. You should be believe in yourself. You have to you have to be understand your skills. You have to plan everything. How to plan a day, how to start a day, how to prepare boolean search, especially boolean search will help so much connecting with the candidates, talking with the candidate. I faced a lot of issues before that, how to connect with them. But this skills helped me in the course to connect with the candidates, to talk to them, to help the junior recruiters also. I'm helping two recruiters working with me, Kiran and Rakesh. They are also happy with the skills I'm sharing with them because they are facing a lot of issues before that. I helped with them, Kiran and Rakesh. Now they are submitting quality profiles, sir. I'm so happy that because they are only 1 month of experience, now they are
Wow.
performing well. I'm so
Hmm.
happy for
See,
that.
so you are becoming your leadership skills also been increased.
In August or July, I faced a lot of issues in submitting, sir. So maybe I submitted one profile. In some days, I submitted zero submissions also. I
Oh,
thought they will remove me from the organization. They also give me warning that you are the least performer in September. And from September to October, I became the best employee. I'm so happy that with the highly paid recruiter course, only I achieved this, and I'm so happy that I'm learning so many skills day by day. I'm improving myself and
very
learning
nice.
new technical skills about the
Hmm.
in this IT field, which positions like everything I was learning about architect from manager from tester, which is a location manager, everything, sir. I was learning. I read Nail the Deal 2 times, sir. I'm happy to. I'm so happy, sir, that it was like awesome, sir, for the recruiters, especially for the freshers, sir. It really helpful for me. I am the example for that result of that Nail the Deal book.
Glad to hear that. And right, that's what we were talking, right? And when you are prior joining highly paid recruiter, you did not have money, but next time when you invested in yourself, and that money also for something else, right? That was for something else, but you taken a risk for that, right? I remember that
Yes,
conversation, Manohar. Is that you?
yes,
You were traveling
I
at
was
that
in
time.
I'm in a journey, sir. That time I saved my money. I want to I want to use that money for something, but I saved that money. I bought the recruiting, this highly paid recruiting course. I'm getting double benefit now. I'm getting double benefit and double results also. My
Hmm.
salary is like compared to the experience, 2 to 3 experienced persons, I'm getting the same salary.
Absolutely. And what about incentives?
Oh, incentives also I'm getting. So I completed 5 closures, sir.
Wow. In few months, in 5 months.
Last 2 months only, especially in October and November only.
Wow.
Before that,
And there are people are
before that,
pipelined again.
pipeline also, sir. I think I will do another 2 3 closures also by the end of this month.
Hmm. How was your confidence in August, July, August, and how is your confidence now, Manohar?
So I just want to tell when I optimize my LinkedIn profile and my tagline, everything. Before that, I have connections of like 50 to 100. Now I'm getting connections. I completed 1,000 connections, sir. I completed 1,000 connections. So many, so many people are connecting with me. They're asking me. We have the positions. So many bench sellers. So many candidates also. interested with with my messages, with my way of talking with them. They are connecting with me emotionally, and also in friendly manner. So
Mm. So you did that LinkedIn optimization as well. You have used that techniques.
I use all the techniques of LinkedIn optimization.
Very good. So you did that value exercise as well.
Values Excel also done. So
Very good, man. You are looks like a pretty, quick implementer. Very good. So now in June, July, your experience, your confidence was out of 10. How much you could have rated if we have spoken
oh,
at June, July, August?
in June, July, August, I would say 2 to 3. I would prefer 2 to 3 only. Not also 3. At least 1 or 2 marks out of 10, sir. My performance very low. That zero submissions. Some days my manager used to scold me, Manohar, what was your performance? Why you're not submitting quality profiles? Very low performance, sir, in June, July, August. But after September, I used to submit 3 to 4 quality profiles in one day. I think I submitted like 12 to 13 profiles, sir.
In one day? Okay.
12 to
That
13 submissions.
awesome, man.
That day, my manager was so happy. He asked me everything. Where are you from? My background, everything, sir. I was so. Before that, we didn't have any good conversation with him, sir.
So you got that name and fame. People tried recognizing you. Very good that you
Yes,
could
sir.
able to come back. Very nice. And what would be your suggestions for recruiters they who say that, hey, I'm going with zero submission, I'm having bad day, I could not able to make placements, and I'm new to this industry, other my colleagues are able to submit, I'm not able to submit, and they always go into that backward spiral, backward. So what do you think could be a possibility they should do, Manohar?
Every recruiter would have faced the challenges before in their primary working. For that, people, I would give some suggestions like understand the every skill. Every skills you should understand from the scratch. Like you should understand you do quality quality submissions. You have to use some calling script, email scripts. You have to optimize your LinkedIn primarily. You have to connect with the candidates means you have to get recognition before you have to get recognition.
Hmm.
I'm suggest for that everyone can take that highly paid recruiter course. It will put for you. Suman sir is experienced, having 15 years of experience. Surely he will help for you, and also that community group also helpful for you definitely. I think everyone will become example for me. Like you will get good results like example for me.
Very good. No, absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing that stuff with us, Manohar. So here, now you feel that you are a recruiter with respect, right?
Yes, sir, I'm so much happy, sir. Presently,
Mm,
I'm getting recognition day by day. I'm also growing in this field and
very
helping
good.
to the junior recruiters, helping the junior
Wow.
recruiters.
You're giving it back.
I'm so
Whatever you're learning, you're
I'm
giving
giving
it back.
I'm helping I'm giving for them also,
Mm.
helping for them.
Well, have you shared your success journey with your parents, though?
Yes, they were so happy, sir. I've also said my personal life also, sir. Uh, my marriage is also going to happen in couple of months, sir. I'm 2019 student, but love marriage, sir, that was also going to happen. Their parents also accepted it. So everything was so happy, sir, in my life. I'm
Good
getting
things are coming on
recognition.
you. Very good. Hmm. Very nice. You're getting recognition. How did your father, how did your mother felt when they saw you that you are damn confident and you're getting recognition, you're getting 100% salary hike? Did you share that with them?
Yes, sir. My father was so happy. Like he was he was raising his collar, sir. No, like he was raising his collar in confidence. Sir. Compared to in July, that May month, he was so happy. Presently, a little bit happy. I'm helping for the family, giving fulfilling the needs of the family presently.
Very good. Good to know that, man. You are a pretty proud son and a proud recruiter as well. Very good. So here one more question I would like to ask you, Manohar. So do you think, so I tell that it's a multi-billion dollars industry and it has a lot of opportunity for the people who work on themselves and use strategies to win this game. But let me ask you this. What do you think? Do you think everybody, any recruiter can survive and make a lot of money in this industry or not? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Every recruiter can make in survey in this industry. with the skills, the proper strategies and planning and implementing, mainly implementing.
Yeah.
With this, everyone can success in this $1 million company business, and we have a lot of opportunities in this recruiting. So they can use it as a career also, sir. Lot of job seekers, they can use it as a career opportunities. They can also can improve themselves, the communication skills, everything. They will get recognition.
Very glad, man. Such an inspiring story, Manohar. And, I definitely wish you good luck. So, before we go, do you have any last message for our viewers? And I wish to see you a very successful person in this industry. All right. So, before we go, do you have any message, any last message, or any experience you want to share with us?
My message to everyone that is, you should believe yourself. You should believe your process. Miracles will happen for you, everyone. But you should trust your process. You should keep on pushing yourself. You should don't relax at one place. You should move on from everyone from one place to another place. But proper strategies has to be maintained in any work. I think everyone will success if they follow all the guidelines.
Very nice, Manohar. Thank you so very much for your time. And I wish we will talk once again with more success story of yours. All right. And congratulations for your upcoming wedding. And hopefully we will connect once again, and we'll have a proud spouse as well for you. The way your father was raising collar, she'll be confident, and she may think that definitely that she has taken a right decision marrying you, man. God bless you people, and God bless your family, Manohar.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye.